guys, welcome back to our channel. Me and Daphne are opening up these Miniverse balls. We're gonna open up both balls and then we'll put the kit together. These are no longer available in Canada. I do not know why. They're coming out with new ones that still have resin in them, so it don't make sense that they took these off the shelf. I like opening up the lifestyle ones. They have like plants and bird houses and stuff like that in there. But this one is make it food. So let's open up one ball. I don't know where the zipper thingy is. I don't usually follow those zippers because I can't see them. There. This one has a little arrow on there. It's hard for me to open anything. My nails are so weak right now. They need to be, I'm giving them a break from gel nail polish until they strengthen up again. I know, Archie, this is so annoying. There, we got it off. Pop! And then there's some bags in here. Oh, what's this? It's like a little coaster. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. And then we got some paperwork. And then we got the guide to say what's, so it's a recipe guide for everything you can make in this ball. But the only way we're gonna know what we're gonna make is to open up these little bags. So the first bag we got is a little pitcher. So we must be making some kind of juice. Let's see what takes a pitcher. I only see 2 items that take a pitcher. It's the root beer float and the cherry vanilla float. So we're getting one of those 2. Oh no, or a creamsicle float. So let's take those 3 off. We've narrowed it down to these 3 items. So let's open up another bag and see what we can, that feels like it might be the resin. This one must be the tools. So we got a straw. We got a little plastic knob thingy that I don't know what it goes to yet. And then we got some tongs. And then the next thing in this bottle we got is root beer. So now we know that we're doing the root beer float. Throw those 2 recipes away. So now we know we're doing the root beer float. And then this is the ingredients on the back. Let's see what's in the last bag. Ooh, we got some old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. So we're going to put all these items. So this little plastic knobby thing goes on top of your ball. But I really don't know what you're gonna do with the ball. So we'll put all our ingredients over there and the root beer float. And then we're gonna open up the second ball. What you doing, Archie? Archie? What you doing? almost doing? Trying to get into this ball. Tomorrow's payday. If I can get my hands on a lifestyle ball, I will grab one and show you how they're like, and then add it into this video. Okay, we're in the ball. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages this time. We're not gonna keep the paperwork because we already got a bunch right there. And then we got the collector guide of recipes again. Let me just show you what kind of recipes we could have made. There's grape soda, orange soda, cherry slushy, blue ras slushy, creamsicle float, root beer float, cherry vanilla float, and then, oh, I'd love to get the ABC soup. There's mac and cheese, there's unicorn popcorn, there's caramel popcorn, there's pretzels. Now down to the second row, we have vanilla petite fours. They look like little cakes. And then choco raspberry petite fours, so the same thing but a chocolate version. Classic macaroons, royal macaroons, chocolate dipped strawberries, I wouldn't mind those, and then white choco dipped strawberries, and then choco churros, and then birthday churros, and then that one is cute too, the hot dog. And then oh yeah, this one has mustard, this one has ketchup. And then yellow corn nachos and blue corn nachos. So that's a lot of like recipes you could get in these balls. So hopefully, pray that this is not a duplicate. Okay, the first bag has I don't know if you guys saw it, but I saw the little weenie dog butt, and I was like, yeah, we got the weenie dog. So we did not get a duplicate. And the tray is red. There's 2 different trays, a red and a yellow one. We got the red tray. So we know we're doing this one. The hot dog with mustard. We got a pair of tongs. I'm not keeping them because we got a pair already. I'll put this on top of here, but I really don't know what these, like, are you supposed to display them in the balls? I don't know. I'm not displaying mine in the balls. And then the next package is some hot dogs. We get 4 hot dogs, but we can only fit 1 hot dog on the dog tray. And we got 1 tray, but we got 2 packs of buns. Okay, maybe we can make 2. And let's keep 1 off the tray. And then the last thing we got is the resin with a little nozzle, and it's supposed to be mustard. So we're gonna stop the video right here for now. I'll be right back. I just gotta go check on something. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm at Walmart and I'm very overwhelmed right now because they have a bunch of new products in, and I'm so excited, and I don't know what to buy. I found, this is the one I came for. It was the Miniverse Lifestyles. I'm looking for a box. Yeah, okay, here's one. So this is the stuff you can get in the lifestyle box. You can get the plants, flowers, bird houses, more stuff like that. And then like the Monstera plant and all that. But then now I'm stuck because now I want this Harry Potter one. And this Harry Potter one is so cool. You can make all these potions and all these potions. I really want this one right here. I know I probably wouldn't get it. And then I found this one, which is the Halloween Beetlejuice. The display box is not here. Here, let me run around the corner and show you the display box. So there's the display box for it. It's the Beetlejuice collection. And you can make, you can make this stuff right here. I really like that sandworm. I probably would never get that one. But these ones also give you a clue of what's on the box if you look at the wrapper. So I don't know what this one is, but I know for sure that this one is the bat cake. See the bats on the cake there on the end of the ball? It's hard when I only got two hands. Right here, that's where we're looking. See, there's a bat cake there. I can't find any more of these Beetlejuice ones, so I guess you guys will find out when I get home which one I choose. God forbid I choose all three. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm back from the Walmart, and I ended up getting the lifestyle ball, the one with the plants and the bird houses and stuff in it. And I did not get the Beetlejuice one, but I got the Harry Potter one because it looks cool with all the potions in there. So we're gonna continue with the video of the mini brands that we just opened before we went to Walmart. I don't know what that was. Heard it again. So the first one we're gonna do is the root beer float. I put the resin in some warm water. Like, they're still in the bottles and everything, but just trying to warm up the resin so it pours easily. There's no sun outside today. It's a rainy day here. So we'll be using this gel nail UV light thingy to cure the resin. So let's recap what we got with the root beer float. We got the little pitcher cup. I would say it's more like a pitcher, but then it comes with a straw, so it must be a cup. And then we get, I'm gonna shut that fan off because it's blowing things. It's blowing things around, so. Then we got the coaster to put the, and then we got the old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. And you open it up, and there's like little ice cream scoops in there. So that's cute. You get 4 scoops of ice cream. So we'll put those to the side. And then we're gonna open up the root beer resin. Oh, that was pretty easy to open. smells chemically. So we're gonna pour this into this cup. It's a lot thicker than I thought it was gonna be. I've never worked with resin. There's got to be more than that to come out. I'm just going to leave that upside down in that cup for a second. I don't know why it's taken so long to like come out of the bottle. You gotta like really squeeze the bottle to get it out. Maybe I should have left it in the water a little longer because it's not seem to come down. I really hope I can get more resin out than that because that's only like half full. I'm trying not to get the resin on my hands because I don't know if it's toxic or anything. Now I see why these kits are not for, I'm gonna put the straw in and I'm gonna cure it and then I'm gonna put the ice cream scoop on top. I don't think we're gonna get a full cup out of this. It seems like we're only gonna get a half a cup. So, I don't know how to do that where I can still get the ice cream scoop in there. I don't know why they give us 4 scoops of ice cream and only 1 is gonna fit down in there. What if we take this straw and we try to like, let's turn this over so resin don't get on there. Let's take this straw and see if we can get some out that way. I'm just taking the straw and going like that. I'm probably gonna get resin on my fingers. Piece of paper and wipe the straw off. These kits are kind of difficult when you're trying to do a video. At least you guys know this is real time and not like edited time. I'm just gonna leave that upside down for a minute. And we're gonna move on to the hot dog dog. While we move on to the hot dog dog, this guy. We'll move on to him while we're waiting for the resin in that bottle to go down. So it came with a hot dog tray guy. He came with 2 buns, and this is the packaging, and look at that little tie on the top. That is so adorable. It looks like an actual bread tie. Look how cute and adorable that little bread tie is. And of course it's gonna give me a difficult time to open it. Why do you do this to me? They act like that bread was gonna go stale. Okay, so there's my hot dog bun. And I'm just gonna put it in the tray like that. And then it came with 4 hot dogs. And there's no nutritional value or anything on them. So we're gonna take that hot dog and put it in the bun. And then let's look at the directions. I forgot to show you guys the directions. So there's the tray, the bun, the hot dog, put on the mustard. This one's pretty simple. And this mustard came with a nozzle. My hands are wet. Okay. So that resin is yellow. So we just take the mustard and just squeeze it on the hot dog. Now I'm gonna put the resin up here so that it's not close to the nail lamp. But I'm gonna take the nail lamp and I'm gonna put the hot dog underneath. And I'm gonna hit 60 seconds. I'm gonna move this resin out of the way because I don't want that to harden. While that's setting, let's see if we can get any more root beer out of this. If we can't, we're gonna have to suffer with a half a cup of root beer. I don't know why they make it so difficult to get the resin out. Where's that straw? Since I could not get any more resin out, I put 2 scoops of ice cream in there. I shoved one down to like lift the resin up some, and then I stuck another ice cream scoop on top. So I'm gonna stick that under the nail lamp. For 60 seconds. Let's check our hot dog. I'm scared to touch it in a resin. Oh, the resin's hard. So we can touch the resin now and it doesn't move. So here's our hot dog guy, all done. I'll give the hot dog one 7 out of 10 because it was so simple to put together, but kind of boring because that's all you would do was put one little squirt of resin on there. The root beer one, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 because they did not give us enough resin to fill the cup, which was kind of sad. So we had to improvise and shove an extra ice cream scoop in there. So we'll pull this out of the nail lamp now. Ooh, it's hot. I did not expect that. But the straw is stuck in there now. So the resin is cured. 13 minutes in plus the other video. So we'll open these balls in another video, the Harry Potter one and the lifestyle one, even though I really wanted to open them today. But this is our mini verse Daphne wanted to do, so we did it. So hope you like this video. Like, share, comment, and I'll try to get this video out. I'll try to get this video out like as soon as possible. And so until next time, bye.